My name is Fiona Pelling. I'm the CEO for the Cowboys Community Foundation. The Cowboys Community Foundation is the foundation or the charity arm for the North Queensland Toyota Cowboys. Our electricity bill was probably one of our biggest spends, besides staff, food, and then it's electricity and services. We've got the two campuses here, so our spend was over $5,000 per month per campus. So that's a massive amount of money for us to have to fundraise each year to try and underwrite that cost. We were lucky enough to meet Green Energy's people, and we very quickly realised that they were really professional, they really knew their stuff, they were very easy to deal with, they really instilled confidence at a really early stage of the project. We had contacted other companies before and probably didn't have that confidence. I think we sort of felt a little bit more like a number as opposed to people coming in and saying, we really want to work with you to understand what you need, when you need it, what it needs to look like, and what it's going to deliver for you. The scale of the project is pretty huge. So it's 100 kilowatts of panels here on our girls' campus, the same again on our boys' campus. So I guess that's 200 kilowatts between the two sites. And then also we're working with them on the battery solution as well. So how do we capture some of that power, because a lot of our usage is at night. But already with monthly bills, we've seen a substantial reduction in that bill. So it's probably saving us $6,000 or $7,000 a month. So that doesn't incorporate a full month of all the kids being here yet. So we're pretty excited to see what that looks like in our next month's bill. Our experience working with Green Energy Technologies has been amazing. It was seamless, it was professional. I can't emphasize enough on how good that is to have that sort of relationship and have that sort of service provided. We operate with many young people on site and staff on site. The installation went seamlessly, it was safe, it didn't interrupt our day-to-day at all. And their communication through the whole install was amazing. They did what they said they were going to do on every step of the way. And if anything was changing at all, they communicated with us really effectively and worked out what the next steps were. Anyone thinking about getting solar with GET, just do it. Give them a call, ask them to come in, meet with them, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.